welcome to Lubera, for Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Koppel, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today's subject is Gullivers, the smallest apple tree we have ever bred. It's becoming only about 1 meter height, and it can be planted as the low fruit or low berry varieties of berries. So it's the first low fruit variety below 1 meter. And special is the growth. So it's not like a columnar apple tree, it's a bushy apple tree. Then the fruitfulness, it has, on this 3-year-old tree, it's about 15 apples. Then it's blooming very late, so it's very resistant to spring frosts. So in total it's a small to medium-sized apple, but in total a very interesting apple tree. The apple becomes more a berry-type plant, which you can plant on the smallest place in a mixed border or on the patio, on a terrace, on a balcony, in a pot of 15, 20, 30 liters. So Gullivers, low fruit Gullivers, the smallest apple we have ever bred and you have ever planted, only 1 meter.
Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and now pick the flowers.